got here. Yeah, but we not just got dresses. Got other stuff too. So what is this? Ooh, yes.
Yeah.
Awesome.
There
What's
is
this? You always wanted a Sleeping Beauty dress, and this is your favorite kid
Here's a
princess.
sleeping. Here's your
It's
sleeping beauty.
Elsa. Okay. Nice. Now what else? What else
Then
do we got?
the unicorn. Here is the
Ouch.
Elsa one.
Oh, hey, unicorn. Okay.
Pretty nice, this unicorn. And here's the unicorn.
Now what else we
And
got over here?
here's the unicorn. This is for Layla's channel,
I
though.
like them. They're so nice.
And there's some.
Sparkles on them.
Yeah. There's a lot of sparkles on them.
Okay. What about? Oh, you always wanted her. You always wanted Shima. This is a Shima, guys. Okay, this is a Shima, folks. If you like trains, give a like to this channel.
Guys, does everybody
Okay,
want the
this is
spaghetti
a
sauce
Shima.
mixed in
And
there?
who is this, I suppose?
Check Eli's channel too. Make sure to subscribe to him too.
And Aiden's channel. And he's the one that's filming. Okay, so. Anyone know?
This is on my channel anyways, though.
Yep. Anyone know who this is? Give a thumbs up if you know who this is. Okay.
Sorry
It's-
guys. Sorry
okay.
guys, because we have the comments turned off because sometimes people say bad things.
Okay.
So.
So this is